Good Monday early evening or afternoon. Actually, it's only 5 p.m. 20 July 2026. The end of World Cup, which I accidentally watched around wee hours of the morning here in Jakarta, Indonesia on TikTok. I didn't know they have it live. You can choose which language channel it is. So I just watched, but not in detail, just listening to it because I can't see where the ball goes. It's too small for me to look at. So anyway, I'm sitting here and having my orange water, ice cubes, and Schweppes tonic water. That's all. Here it is. Here on my balcony. It's very refreshing. Because like I say, sorry guys, I don't have wine at home. I don't have Prosecco at home. So I make do with this. It's quiet, enjoyable, just the same. Here I am on my balcony. I'm happy that all my wall clocks have been installed with new gadget that where you place the batteries are, because even if you change battery it doesn't work. So now my assistant is so smart, he ordered those little boxes behind the clocks to change all that, and then now all the clocks work. In my main house there are like, okay, my bedroom doesn't need one and this bedroom doesn't need one, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clocks, wall clocks. I just noticed there's water here on my balcony, and I realized there were drops of water coming out from the hose, so I think my cleaning lady didn't close the tap properly. So I just called my assistant to fix it. There, you see the tap? She didn't fully turn it off, I think. So now my assistant is coming. 10 laps, it's already 4:45, and in 15 minutes my air condition in my bedroom is going to be cleaned by the professionals because they come here regularly to clean it. So here I am again, back to my workshop here, or pool house, and I always get such pleasant feeling whenever I come here. But you know that the tailor comes only on Saturdays and Sundays. So today is Wednesday, so here I am coming in to check. Oh my god, look at the wife hangs my clothes. Just a minute, it's not the clothes that he sewed, but the clothes that I asked him to repair and want to model it again, all from it. This is really pure silk from Milan, pure satin from Milan, and this one pure cotton with a little bit of viscose, I think. This one I have it made new, this one to tighten the chest area because it was too loose, and this one there's some kind of a torn part here. It's a pity to throw, so I asked the tailor to repair it. And I need to buy the rack to hang all these clothes now, and this one is the one that I have it made already, but it's too short and the sleeves are too loose. But since the fabric I had was enough only for that, I ordered the same one and it arrived yesterday. So he's going to open all this and change to a longer part like that, all for summer still, or early autumn or late spring. If you match it with the jacket, with the right jacket. Going back to sit here, and then later I'm going upstairs to have the bedroom inflated by the aircon service people. But my assistant is there anyway already, waiting for them to arrive and just supervise. First time I'm having my lunch here, but I ordered from the local Uber food here. But I expected to have also chicken salad, and they sent me a wrong dish, which is a hot soup. So I would keep it for tonight. And this one is lasagna that I found quite edible, because normally here people in Indonesia, they love sweet stuff. So if you want to buy normal restaurant kind of lasagna, always too sweet for me. But this one I found already that suits my palate. So anyways, I'm going to have lasagna instead on this summer season here in my garden by myself. Yesterday my assistant son blasted it, and then I think we are going to just varnish it with opaque what do you call, yeah, varnish. That's it. And this is they didn't send me the straw. It's cucumber, celery, apple, something like that. I forgot now. Okay, bon appetit. In Italy, you're not supposed to put Tabasco on any meal at all in Milan. But once in a while, you can check with the restaurant and ask, could you give me Tabasco? Because even though I lived in Milan so many years, I still need my Tabasco on my specific pasta like lasagna and pizza, which is very un-Italian, okay? However, I give the compliment too early, because now I find it a little bit too sweetish and a little bit salty. And they send me a wrong dish instead of Caesar salad. First time sitting here, so I'm perspiring. Notice when in summer, the look of the video is hazy. No wonder there's a song called what? Those roll out those lazy hazy days, lazy crazy days of summer, right? Because it's hazy in summer, and here is tropical, so it's humid. Okay, it's not bad, but it's a bit on the sweeter side. This drink help. Cucumber, apple, and celery. 4 p.m. if not past 4 p.m. already, and I just can't help filming here since it's just too beautiful. The weather is beautiful, a little bit breezy. That's very appreciated in a tropical country since the humidity is very high. And then here I am sitting on my lounger, just waiting to jump in. Well, I don't jump. So beautiful. Now all my bamboo trees have been trimmed, and I didn't know there's an orange bougainville over there. So this is my outdoor shower. There, you see. So before I go into the pool, I always go into the shower first. And this is my extension for my devices. And that's it. I'm not ready to go into the pool yet because it's already 4 p.m. Sorry for my hair, but I just finished swimming and sitting here on this part of the garden. So I noticed foreigners, when they visit Indonesia, they just go the usual places to eat Western breakfast, Western cakes, Western food, okay, with Indonesian food as well. But even Indonesian food, it's only limited to nasi goreng, sate, and soto. But there are a lot more Indonesian food in Indonesia that comes from different region of the country. So one more thing that I would like to persuade you to try is to go to a place that sells Jajanan Pasar. And then you can see all these little sweets, cakes, local cakes that you can try because they're really delicious. I am addicted to them. I lived in Italy for so long, so my palate is very Italian and also very westernized because I've been away from Indonesia for decades. And now I'm back here and I'm addicted to Indonesian food. So this is what you call, and all these savories and sweets, this is what you call lemper, okay? Made of glutinous rice with chicken filling and a little bit of chili, but it's not spicy, but it's very savory. It's very delicious. So this is one of the savories that I like to introduce to you, or the Indonesian Jajanan Pasar. Okay, this is called lemper. So they put a little bit of turmeric in the chicken. It depends on the seller. So it's not always the same exact filling, but generally it's chicken. But this time looks like, this one looks like they added turmeric. So good. Sometimes I don't even have a meal and I just order a few of them and have them. Delicious. Try them. So this is the sweet Jajanan Pasar, or kue Jajanan Pasar, called getuk. Okay, it's made of cassava accompanied by desiccated coconut or grated coconut, not desiccated, grated coconut. Okay, sometimes they come in color, but this comes in, okay, yellow brown color. So let me taste. Very good. I used to have this when I was a kid. But you can eat the other colors too. They come in pink and green. Try it so that you know what Jajanan Pasar means. Okay? Getuk. So I'm at my workshop. Today is Sunday because my tailor comes every Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so every weekend he's here to do the jobs required, whether alterations or making new ones. But for the time being, we are just sewing the leftovers materials from him. That one or two of the results I showed yesterday on my Instagram and TikTok. Now another one which was ready yesterday, but he has to steam it a little bit more. Let me show you one that I like very much. Okay, very much. Made You see, zebra pattern is perfect for summer, or you can even wear in winter, but not spring or autumn. Well, that's my rule anyway, but they're so appropriate for summer or winter. I'm going to wear them with my leggings, even though maybe legging is no longer trendy, but I'm going to wear them. And since the elastic here was already loosened, now my tailor just changed to a new elastic on the waist. So I'm looking forward to trying it later after lunch. The wife is cooking lunch for us. I'm so happy. So I'm sitting here every weekend just enjoying. And now the wife now writes this book of every work that he does so that we can keep tab and also a record of what he has done, because I want everybody to feel that we are all being fair to one another. So here's my pool again, but it's too bright to share it with you. Okay, after I'll show you that complete set of outfit, then I'm going to post this video. I just needed to share with you the perfection of summer in the tropical country. It was not too hot, the humidity was not too high, and I just was admiring the climate here at my pool, the colors, the sound. It's so beautiful, if I may say so myself. And the cat from the neighbor, every day he's here, which I love because he doesn't give me troubles.